Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to my channel. I'm going to start a lecture series for the course of linear algebra. So here are some of the course content that I'm going to cover in this whole series. I will be starting from the introduction to system of linear equations, and in that I'll cover the types of solution for the system of linear equations, and secondly I'll cover the non-homogeneous linear systems and its solutions. Second section, I will be discuss the elementary row operation, and in that I'll discuss echelon and reduced echelon form. And secondly, I'll go through the Gaussian elimination method and Gauss-Jordan method. After that, I'll cover the homogeneous system and its solutions, finding inverse of a matrix, then symmetric matrix, transpose, and traces of matrix. After that, I'll go through the transformation section. In that, I'll cover the transformation and algebra of linear transformation. Secondly, linear transformation in R2 space and R3 space. After that, I will start the section application of linear systems, in which I'll cover the network analysis using the linear system, and secondly, cryptography using matrices. Then I'll go through the section of determinants. In that section, I will cover the determinants of matrices, grammar rule. After that, I'll go through the section of vectors, in which I'll cover vector in 2 space, 3 space, and n space. Then after that, I'll cover the norm, dot product, and the distance in Rn. After that, I'll discuss the general vector space, in which I will discuss the general vector spaces and subspaces, linear combination, linear independence, bases, and dimensions. After that, I will go through the section of eigenvalues and eigenvectors. In that, I will cover the eigenvalues and eigenvectors, diagonalization. Then the next section would be inner product space. In inner product space, I'll cover the inner product spaces, orthogonality in the inner product spaces. Secondly, angle and the orthogonality in the inner product space. After that, orthogonal and orthonormal vectors, Gram-Schmidt process, and QR decomposition. After that, I'll cover the orthogonal matrices, in which I'll discuss about the orthogonal matrices, orthogonal diagonalization of the matrices, and quadratic form. So these are the course content that I will cover in this whole lecture series. And the book I will be following is Elementary Linear Algebra, that is the 12th edition. And this is the book writer was the Howard Anton, and this is the application version. So stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care and stay blessed.